The prophecy of the Dragon Assembly.
In the 24th year, that of the dragon, an assembly was called upon him, the Ancient of Days and eternally young.
Women and men from all over the globe and traditions gathered in the ethers, through the numeric mycelium, and in a cave where he was greatly present.
They did so to unleash the sacred psychomagic act of resetting civilization, to dream with the earth and bring back essential laws on the future of evolution, letting a dawning culture pass through.
They were artists, oracles,
dancers in the dark, soul scribes. They were deeply human. The inherent magic of life itself, made flesh and aware of itself. They offered their hearts to evolution.
The whole of the Earth orbit was taken by a wave of absolute.
And the coming ones looked over and, filled with hope for the maturation of Earth and humanity, began their descent journey. And here we are.
And here we are, one full away from Solstice, one step we now can take.